Hey Roblox fans, before you even think about trying BlexRewards.com for free Robux, you need to hear this. There's a new wave of scam sites out there, and BlexRewards.com tops the list for January 2026. I want you to stay safe, so here's what you need to know. First, if a website promises free Robux or rare items just by entering your Roblox info, it's 100% a scam. Roblox support and security experts all say the same thing. There are no official Robux generators. The only ways to get Robux are by buying them from Roblox or earning them through legit developer activities. BLX Rewards tricks you by asking for your username and password. Don't fall for it. That's how accounts get hacked, and suddenly, your hard-earned items and Robux are gone for good. Plus, these sites love to hit you with malware or phishing links that can steal even more personal info from your device. Some sites use sneaky tactics, like making you wait forever to unlock a fake reward, or pressuring you to spend Robux for a speed-up that never works. Even so-called survey sites barely pay. Trust me, it's not worth your time. Let's get real. Even with legit sites like Microsoft Rewards, it could take over a month of daily grinding just to get 400 Robux. And most scam sites make it nearly impossible to actually withdraw your Robux, often resetting your progress right before you cash out. Worse, using these sites can get your account banned forever for breaking Roblox's terms of use. So what should you do? Stick to real, safe ways to earn Robux. Create and sell items. Join the Roblox affiliate program. Use Microsoft Rewards. Or subscribe to Roblox Premium for monthly Robux. Be smart, protect your account, and steer clear of scam sites like BlexRewards.com. Your Robux and your account are worth way more.